Hello everyone, my name is Madam Anne, a reflexology teacher. Today we are going to learn more about reflexology, and reflexology is more about the manipulation of a special massage movement which is done to the feet and also the hands and the ears. But for the today's service, we're going to perform on the feet, and our therapist is going to be Jane, one of my students. Welcome all, we'll learn together. In the part of reflexology, we can use the two products. You can either use a baby powder, which is the talc, or a massage oil. They both perform the same massage movement, but we prefer using a baby powder because the massage movement of this one, okay, as a therapist, you put more pressure than this one. Basically, we normally say massage oil is the massage movement, right? But for the baby powder, it's going to make the massage movement to become somehow difficult for you. So you're going to use a lot of pressure to perform the service. So for today, we are going to perform the two product to do both of our foot to do the reflexology. So I'm going to perform of the powder part of it. Then my student is going to perform the massage oil part of it. Okay. So our first procedure is effleurage. So for the effleurage, this is how you put your hands together. Then you go down. When you get to this part, your two fingers or your two thumbs, they're supposed to be here on the foot part of it. You pull it out 3 times. Then you damp knead using the dumps. And when you're damp kneading, make sure you're damp kneading the whole part of the metatarsals here. You palm knead. So you use your palms. Ring. So there are some who do this ringing, but for us we are going to do this kind of a movement. Every massage movement, pedicure, manicure, you normally say bend and flex, right? So for the tension and flexion, we are flexing. Okay, so tension, down one. Then you put it up this way, tension. Then you flex. So there is a difference between tension and flexion and foot locking. For tension and flexion, we did tension and we flexed. For foot locking, we are going to turn the leg this side, upwards, down one. Sawa. Yes. Toe rotation. So for the toe rotation, last time the one who are in, you press the toe. We normally get use of rotate 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise, bend and flex. Hiyo ndo tunafanyanga. But this time round, you are going to press the toe by applying of the pressure there. You rotate 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise. You bend and flex. We press, rotate 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise, bend and flex. Press again, 3 times clockwise, anti-clockwise, bend and flex. And there you rotate again, 3 times anti-clockwise. You bend and flex 3 times.